Today we'll show you how to verify your channel in YouTube. Okay, just go here to YouTube Studio and open. This is a new channel. Just click to continue and here go to settings or parameter you want. Okay, click and here go to channel and here just only 1 second we'll choose now. You can choose any language you want. Okay, here go and now here you can choose this and verify your phone. Go here and verify your phone. Okay, I will choose a Tunisian. Okay, now I'm right my phone. Okay, just click here, continue, and now we have a phone without anything. Just put your number and without anything. Just here, go and like enregister. Okay, refresh your page and go to parameter. And here now we have now 1 second. We will wait some few seconds. Okay, I think need to refresh again. Okay, go to settings, channel, and this we have now this activate. Okay, we want to this to like activate. Okay, just click here and put just your video face and or give your identity card or put this like develop your historic like you need to upload some videos in this month and only this. Okay, just clicking okay and it's complete everything. Just put like and subscribe and thank you for watching.